until we see that Aurora has something that we're going to do today. And we're going to open it today, so let's see. I'm going to zip it, zip it, zip it. Zip, zip, zip. Zip, zip, zip.
Alright, so let's see.
Oh, don't get wet. You already read that.
Alright, it's the Blast Off Color Kit that we found at Goodwill. So probably can be found on Amazon. Alright.
Let's see
So,
what it is. Wait a minute.
alright, so let's do the first one.
Blue and yellow makes green. Red and yellow make orange. Where's the deal?
Alright, let's do fizzing colors. Okay?
Whoa.
Alright. So we need 3 test tubes with lids.
Those are those.
Yep, those are your test tubes. And this is your holder. Okay?
I've never touched one of these before.
Yes, you have. Not one that big.
I never seen this.
What do you think that is?
These are perfect unicorns.
They are
So-
unicorns. No. Magnifying glass. Okay. So we're going to need that.
Take. Need to put
And
water.
True Color coloring tablets. That's these. Okay? Alright.
What's the water for?
For you to ask questions.
Is it?
The good thing about this is that if you run out of the colors, you can use the ones from Egg Dunk Kids. Alright. So,
Rubber band.
fill some cups with water and set them aside for the moment. So that's these. Okay?
What's this for? What's this for? What's
Alright,
this
so. No, putting water in it. Why would you do it upside down?
Oh.
It says fill with water.
To the line.
It just says fill them and put them
I know
aside.
water had to do something with this.
Well, yeah.
Are you gonna?
That's why I said this is an outside thing.
Why don't you drink the rest of it?
No, thank you. I have my water over there on the side.
I can drink this.
Okay.
What's this for?
Well, we'll see.
So,
Okay. Open the
package.
package of True Color coloring tablets. Fill each test tube about 3/4 of the way with water. Do you know,
Other YouTubers probably did this.
probably.
I said that one.
Oh, yeah, gee, thanks. Alright, so 3/4 of the way. Now, we can get this.
So we'll fill this up with water until these lines. They're all the
3/4 of
same
the way.
height.
Uh-huh.
Yippee! Yippee! I am the king!
That's about 3/4. I am making such a mess. Ah! Too much. Put in this one. This one's a little bit too little. Wait, now it's too much.
That was actually right up to the
Yeah. Okay.
It's not good enough. It's not
A
there.
little tiny bit. Okay. Wait, don't hold me. Okay. All right.
That's too much now.
Oh, leave it alone. It says about. You don't have to be exact. All right. So place a blue tablet in one test tube.
What do we do with these?
We'll get there when we get there. Here. So place a blue. Place a blue in one. Oh, smell it. How did you miss?
I don't know.
A red in the middle one right here.
Whoa.
Put the red one there. Then we should turn it. Okay, I'll just turn it around. All right, Rosie, put yours right there.
This one?
Anyone, really don't matter. Not the one with you. Yep. And then we'll put the yellow one there.
I can see it. It's like more like pink.
Screw the lids on tightly. There it is, the instructions. It's such a windy day. I can't see. Screw the lids on tightly so the water doesn't leak out. Okay.
Whoa.
What happens? The tablets fizz, bubble, move around, and change the color of the water as they disappear. So the tablets are disappearing. Can you see that? So the whole point of this experiment was to tell you that, yeah, the tablets are gone, not quite gone, but you know they're still in there because the color of the water changes. So this is science and...
Math.
No.
Biology.
Biography. Science and biography.
Science and chemistry.
Yes. Science and biography.
That's actually it.
No. Science and chemistry.
Oh, I love these things.
I think these are called, I forgot what they're called.
Oh, I messed up.
Oh, it mashed up. Alright. So we'll wait for these to dissolve and then we'll do the next project.
Yeah.
We're going to practice using these, okay? Pipettes.
Pipettes.
Uh-huh.
I am.
They use it all the time to carefully measure liquids, including blood and body fluids. They want to do some tests, okay? But it takes a little practice. How you do it is that you squeeze, dip into the solution, and let go until you stop to wherever you want to measure. And then you pull up, and then bloop, okay?
Pull up with a squeeze one.
Alright, so here we go. So, you're going to take your water, and you're going to practice using your pipettes. Alright? So you go long. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So, squeeze before you put it in the water. Put it in the water. Let go. Now, let's say I have too much, right? So, I'm going to go to, let's say I want to get the middle. Half a milliliter. You go to where you want to go, and then you stop. You let go, okay? So you stop, you suck to where you want to go. It takes a lot of practice. I'm not a scientist. So yeah, I have my half. And I let go and it goes up, or it's ready for use. Okay? Yep, and then to put it back out, you carefully squeeze, and there it goes. Everybody good? Alright. Now here's where the fun begins. This is where the mess starts. We are going to be using our test tubes.
I want to do it.
Wait. Alright. This red is just all over me. That's why I changed my shirt, so it got dirty, You notice I'm in a different shirt? Okay. So we're going to take some of the blue with our pipette.
You have a pipette?
Pipette. And then you can put it inside your well. Now I have blue, right? And then now we'll take some red.
Do I put the water inside that?
If you want to dilute it. See, now I put a little bit in, and the colors are changing.
We do the same thing over.
And you mix. And you measure some. Okay, that one has that color. And I put more, and then it's more of a purple color. That's mixed in with the red. Now, of course, you know if you mix all three of the colors together, what color do you get? Brown. Good job. Now I'm going to dilute my purple with some water.
Whoa.
Now I have a Kool-Aid looking purple. Oh, that's very pretty. You have a lot of blue in that one.
I just made orange. Oh, I made orange.
So here's our color tray here.
Wait, I'm gonna add some of this. Still brown. I'm gonna add some of that. Some of that. Your Kool-Aid.
It's getting a little blurry.
Some of your Kool-Aid.
Here we go.
To that.
It's beautiful.
I'm gonna take some. Some of that. To that. Whoa, we made red. I'm gonna mix it up. To that.
That looks great, girls.
That's like blood.
You making blood?
That. Some of that. Apple. To that. Oh, I just mixed them up. What color?
And so you see,
That color looks amazing.
the
Oh
more
my
of one
God.
color you add,
It actually does look
the
like
lighter or darker you make the other color. And when you add water, you're diluting your formula. So next experiment, we're going to do jelly crystals.
this.
You cannot eat this. I don't know, but find out. So now we have this. We need a little bit more in this one.
This.
Uh-huh. All right, so now you're going to put 5 to 8 crystals in each well.
Wait, 5 and 8?
5 or 8. 5 to 8.
5. 8. Since that's my
Please don't put your mouth to these crystals.
I thought those were crystals.
No, that's snow.
No.
No, it's not real snow.
That's going to go fine
Take my
everywhere.
scissors.
It's scissors.
Stop picking your nose, nasty thing. A
I've had
scissors.
practice from taking my pants off of Lena, so now we're gonna need a scissors.
Okay.
I'll wait right here.
Anna.
No, you can take. So you count each one, and then you pick one of your welds, and you put 5 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna do 8 each one.
3, 4,
Now it's gonna take about an hour for these to be finished. Okay?
5.
So it's going to need about an hour.
Is it 3 to 8?
No, 5 to 8. Just do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do 7 on that one. Alright, some of them already have crystals in it, okay?
I already put.
Bless you. Nina, no more.
I already put 5 in that one.
Alright, so now we let this sit for how long? An hour. Good job.
Glass.
Glass?
An hourglass.
An hourglass. Okay. Next. We're going to need a blue scoop, a cup of water, and a mixing tray. So, no, don't do that. We're going to need one of these. Okay? Or actually, we could use this. Okay? We can use my measuring cup. Alright, so. Actually, wait a minute. Not even. We're going to recycle. We're going to use this, okay? So while this sits and relaxes itself, alright, you know, that's good. Alright, so here, look. We're going to use this. Okay. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So open this.
I'll open it.
Okay, don't get it everywhere. Otherwise, this experiment's going to be over. Are you alright?
Scissors.
No scissors.
I gotta run around for a second. My legs are tired.
Your legs are tired from sitting down. Why is this all wet? You're right. You might need the scissors.
A scissors.
Scissors. Okay. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna do this. Why don't you put blue in the cup? All right. Open this and take a. Ooh. Wait a minute. This actually might be too big.
Look at this.
Let's do a little one. All right.
No, I'm gonna do the big one.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the big one.
So. All right. So now let's take a little thing.
I got my giant.
Okay. These are.
I got my giant one.
So now we're going to do that, and we're going to put this in. Look, 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 look. Look at that. You want to make it? Oh my gosh. All right, now wait.
We can make it like this.
All right, let me get the camera, and I'll bring it closer. We just made snow. It's not real snow. You gonna put snow in that? Here, you can use your fingers.
Free water.
Just put some in. Okay. All right. Wait, let me focus better. Wait, wait, wait. All right, go ahead. All right. Look at it.
Did you see?
Whoa.
Wait.
Yeah, it needs more water.
It looks like snow.
You should have had the water in first.
Wait, look at this. Look at how much I got.
Oh no.
I'm gonna make that.
Yeah.
You think you made enough?
Oh my god.
Okay, okay. But your water ratio is off, so let's make pea snow.
No. I need that. I need that.
So you girls having fun?
A little. Actually, a lot because I love science.
Yeah, you love
Should I
science.
put in?
Yeah, if you want.
Let's put the whole thing in.
I'm actually gonna separate mine
Okay.
right there.
So what does it feel like?
It feels like snow that has been rained on. wet snow.
So slush.
Yes. Wait, let's see what happens if we mix it up. Guys, thumbs up if you want to see us mix it up at the end. Yeah.
Yep. Definitely give us a thumbs up if you like science.
As soon as I discovered YouTube, I didn't know what thumbs up means, so I just did this.
Thumbs up mean I like this. YouTube just turned it into something else. Okay, don't waste all the snow because we could do this again another time.
I mixed it up.
Okay, you need some more water. You don't have to use a pipette.
This
At this
isn't
point, you
fair.
could use your
You
cup
know
of
what?
water.
Can I eat them? Can I eat them?
I mean, like, what the heck?
You know what?
I think a squirrel just fell out of the tree.
Oh!
So anyway, give us a big thumbs up if you like science or snow.
I'm already giving you a thumbs up.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Click
Press that little-
notification bell for when we, so for you know when, you know.
What?
Listen,
What about
I'm a
this? What
starter
about
for you,
this?
okay?
What about this?
Don't expect me to say words as quickly.
You can mix it in with your snow.
On
Yeah, go for it. Not the whole bag, and you might need a scissors for that too.
scissors.
Anyway.
Scissors.
Hey, look! Unicorn snow. Oh my gosh, we made something really cool.
5, 6,
Anyway, be sure to give us a thumbs up.
7.
I need help.
Hit that little bell button if you like
For-
bells.
So you'll be notified for when we come out.
Yeah, because we want you to be notified of our videos.
Listen.
It's notified.
Listen.
Notified?
Listen. I am not the best at saying things like that, okay? Don't expect me to say everything right. Like notified, I know.
What'd you call this? Biography?
Biology.
Science and biography.
Science and biology.
Anyway, unicorn snow with marbles.
Oh my god.
Wow. Look
You
at
guys
that.
wish you could feel this.
It looks really cool.
You guys wish you could feel this. This feels like awesomeness. This feels like I never felt.
Look at that.
Listen, I love that.
You love science?
I haven't filled it.
It looks just like snow. Unicorn snow.
Whoa, you guys should have saw that.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye. We ain't finished yet.
Well, I'm finished with the video.
I ain't.
Adios, muchachos.
Audio.